If the ICC issues a warrant of arrest with your name on it, what legal recourse would you resort to immediately?
Well, I'm going to resist it by filing a petition before the Supreme Court, just like what Senator De La Rosa did dun sa kanyang kaso. Kasi wala kang pupuntahan. The Supreme Court, the last bastion ng ating justice system dito. Kaya siya lang makakatulong sa atin.
Ngayon na nandyan na kayo, na pangalanan, magtatago po ba kayo? Are you going to go into hiding?
Well,
Even nawala pa yung physical
without the
yung
warrant of
warrant
arrest.
of arrest.
I will never hide. I will just face it kung ano man yung ipafile sa akin. But I'm going to resist it through legal process. Of course, by which I mean, I'm going to file the necessary petition before the Supreme Court or for any court at that matter. But I will never hide.